In this video, we will create our first page, and before we start, I want you to avoid creating the file on the desktop because these files are neglected and deleted in the future, and we don't want that. This is your project, you should take care of it. Your work should be beautiful and coordinated. So we are gonna create the folder inside, not on the desktop, okay? And choose a suitable name for your project. For example, if you are gonna make a toy store, write toy store. If you are gonna make a bookstore, write bookstore. Okay, and because we will choose a bookstore project to practice on it, we will give the bookstore as the name of the folder. Then you open the text editor and from above on the left choose file, okay, and then open folder. The first thing we will add is the main file of HTML page, where we will learn to create the elements that we saw in the previous video. To create the first file, click here and type the name of the file that you want to create, okay? Or press right click and choose new file, whatever you want. And now we will name our file index.html. Why this name? I'll explain that for you. We write index because the servers that you will upload your project on are looking for a file called index. So that's why we wrote index at the beginning. As for .html, it tells the operating system what your file is. If .mp3, the system will know that it is an audio file, and if .mp4, the system will know that it is a video, and so on. .html tells the operating system that it is an HTML file. The elements that we saw in the previous video are called HTML tag. Let's write these elements. Start with sign smaller than, and then the element HTML and sign bigger than. Notice that the editor immediately when I wrote the opening tag wrote the closing tag. Elements have an opening tag and closing tag. There are some elements that don't have a closing tag, okay? And in order to write the closing tag yourself, it's the same name of the element with the addition of a slash before the name. You press for a new line, enter, okay, and coordinate your elements. Inside the HTML page, there are two very important elements. You can remember them with the example of the human body, head and body. Okay, any site you enter, whether it's Facebook or YouTube, anything you see as a user inside the site, its codes are in the body box, okay? As for head, it has the metadata, such as the name of the page and information about your page so that Google browser can recognize it. I hope that this information has benefited you, and now we will create our first page. The first tag we will learn today is title, where you write the name of your page. For example, we will create a page about bookstore, so we will write the name of the page bookstore, and inside the page we will write welcome to my bookstore. And now Ctrl S to save. If we open the page now, we will find that the name of the page has been changed to bookstore, and the phrase welcome to my bookstore has been added inside the page. And this is the first thing we did. We understood the basics and how to create a new page from scratch.